Now to the latest on the wildfire situation. An evacuation order was issued late this afternoon for Lac La Ronge, Air Ronge, and the Lac La Ronge Indian Band as the wildfire situation in northern areas continues to worsen. The Saskatchewan Health Authority is working to safely move more than 45 acute care patients and long-term care residents from La Ronge. Meanwhile, Candle Lake remains in jeopardy as flames inch closer. Jasmine Peltier has the latest.
An evacuation order has now been issued for La Ronge, Air Ronge, and Lac La Ronge Indian Band. The resort village of Candle Lake is preparing for a potential mandatory evacuation call as the largest wildfire in Saskatchewan is under 14 kilometers away.
Last Wednesday, the fire came out of the east and it made a 14-kilometer run in one day towards Candle Lake.
Meanwhile, the voluntary evacuation advisory for Candle Lake remains in effect. The shoe fire threatening the community is now over 400,000 hectares, 18 times the size of Saskatoon.
Even in a 50K wind blowing directly at the fire is still creeping towards Candle Lake. It gains about 400 meters every day against the wind.
3 fire breaks have been set up at the northwest part of Candle Lake and more are in progress. The shoe fire has led to evacuations of East Trout Lake, Little Bear, Wayland Bay, Lower Fishing Lakes, and the closure of Narrow Hills Provincial Park. On Monday, another fire causing more evacuations in the northern part of the province.
The Pisu fire, which is west of La Ronge, it has led to the evacuation for some time of Hall Lake. Due to its spread eastward, currently there are evacuations in place for Wadden Bay, Sucker River, English Bay, and Namibin.
The J. Smith fire north of Missinippi led to the evacuation of the Brabant community. The Saskatchewan Public Safety Agency says the fires have impacted highways and forced some to close.
Highways 913 and 912 are both closed because of the shoe fire.
At least 163 confirmed structures, including homes and cottages, have been lost to fire. Jasmine Peltier, CTV News, Prince Albert.